What are we looking at here? Where are we at on the 4 hour? We still haven't taken Friday's high. We souped this low from yesterday, overnight. Oh, that's right. ES did. ES is going for that high from yesterday. On and on and on. So ES's new high is up here. So we're still rejecting off this same order block from yesterday. Some London lows down here. Midnight's all the way down here. Midnight. Yo, we did reject off that hourly order block? Yeah, we did. We had a 5-minute CSD. But not on ES. We did not. How many points is this? 60 in a 5-minute candle? Yeah, we're moving and grooving. I didn't even notice this is SMT up here. Two minutes into the macro. Yeah, it was SMT at the highs. So at least equilibrium of this, which is, yeah, that makes sense where we're going. Nine thirties here. 9:30 open. Judas swing into the order block. Boom. What are you looking at, Ping?
Nothing. Nothing.
News at
I
10.
guess a short, but like a 75, but
Mm-hmm.
I don't know yet. Plus I have a 5 minute.
We're sitting in an hourly bullish gap though. I think we're gonna go lower. We have news at 10, so see if we can get back up here. Actually, I'm just
What?
gonna wait. I would have. I was gonna short here, but I don't know. It's gonna go lower for sure. I was waiting for like one more like kind of little pop, but I guess it didn't want to do it. I had a feel. I wasn't sure if this was gonna stay open as a breakaway gap. That's the only thing. I wanted to just short at this order block and stop here. So this would have been the risk to reward. Short there. I probably would just have my stop at the high of the order block, and then first take profit at this, and then equilibrium. Because I wonder if this teases since there's news. It's probably not going to, but I wonder if we get something like. I wonder if we take this and then go into this, or if we just 10 a.m. just makes us die, which probably is probably just gonna what it's gonna do. But that's why I don't really like to trade until like after news, unless I have like a really strong feeling where it's going. I like this lower, but I didn't really wasn't really sure of the entry. Breakaway, I guess, and then this is a breakaway. I don't know why though. I see we have this breaker, so I guess that's why. Be interested to see. ES will probably go for 504 and a quarter. I guess I could have just went short and then just taken profit wherever I wanted to. Because I didn't really want to hold through 10 a.m. news. If a previous gap gets closed, we can't use it anymore, right? Since it's not an inefficiency. Because if so, then only hourly bullish gap I'm seeing is at 1.9. No, you can have like reclaimed fair value gaps and stuff, but it has to have context. Yeah, okay, you can use other gaps that like have been used before. That's a lot of the times what happens with order blocks. I was hoping for some kind of stop run, but I don't know if we're gonna get it.
Baby, baby. Bah, 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 bah.
What'd you say?
Nothing. Ethan Bernard. Or cut.
Cause YM's just moving up. Yeah, I don't want to trade this.
Alright.
There she goes. Right off this. Pew. Yeah, I need to get better at determining breakaway gaps because I really don't know. Bum bum ba bum bum bum. Yeah, so my short right here was the move, but whatever. I gotta study on why this is a breakaway gap because I have no idea. I think I have an idea, but I learned the concept yesterday, so I'm not live trading this first thing I learned. No way. Or something I learned yesterday. Put this on Twitter. You take anything?
Me?
Yeah.
No, nigga. Like, take. Other than that 5 minute, but remember, I could have. It's like, no, it just doesn't look good in lower time frame. And I just can't trust it.
This is where I'm expecting some kind of bounce from.
We did just take out London, so
Mm-hmm.
maybe Asia, that's just too much.
ES didn't really dig into this low though, that's the only thing.
What's the London one then?
Yeah. It's probably gonna go down a little lower. I'd be surprised if we go up. If we have a decent retracement off of ES just running through by a tick. The damage hasn't been done. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna go long at 03.
Order filled.
How many ticks is this? 21 points. Alright, cool.
Get filed.
Yeah, I'm in.
There we go. Now I can.
I'm gonna go break even. Yeah, definitely break even.
Order filled.
Boom. Beautiful. Take 3 off up there, and then the last 2, I'll take 1 off there if we get up there. Actually, I'll take both off up there. Let's go, Meowsko. Good stuff.
Yeah,
We want to see these 2 candles support us higher. Preferably just this one. So, I don't know where you got filled, Meowsko, but I want to see this. I don't want to see price come back below here. It could, like, of course it can. And I don't know if we're gonna just flip bullish, but want to see this pick up some speed here, especially since we have 2 minutes left in the macro. But it might just continue with a bearish delivery if it's going to do that. But we definitely want to see this little FEG and that up close candle support us higher. Regardless, I'm done for the day afterward. After that, for sure. I feel like my PC's kind of lagging right now. I don't know why.
Order filled.
Alright, well that's fun. Let's see how much I'm up. Privacy, realize P&L. 340. See you later. Goodbye. Done and dusted. Lock me out. Boom. See ya. I'll tape read for a little bit longer with stream, but other than that, I'm cool. Did this hit EQ of the range? Yeah, it did perfectly to the tick. That's insane. I was gonna target this high just because it was just the first 1 minute high above EQ, but didn't even get to it. I guess I should have taken more off at the equilibrium. Oh, I didn't even. Okay, this makes sense. EQ of the 10 a.m. high sweep right there. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, definitely should have taken some more off because I wasn't anticipating this to just go up, but I thought we were gonna at least take this high. I just gotta work on my scaling, but that was a great trade. That's why you can't really take these continuations. You have to get in down here. Unless you wait for the discount entry like this. But you can't like buy the breakers in these kind of moves because you can see they're not very energetic. If this inverses, we'll go higher, in my opinion. Since we all we did was just retrace. And a lot of the times if we the reason why we're if this holds and we go higher, if we retrace or the reason why we retrace is because the bearish SMT on between ES and NQ. You'll see both indices like to reprice the premium or discounts in this case if we go higher. But I'm not fully convinced that this is gonna go higher. But um yeah. Need speed, definitely. That's good, William. We're done. We caught a banger. Kind of. I only got 5 contracts off, but still paid pretty well. Can't complain. Oh my god, Butters. Good morning, honey. I was on my ult. Was good. We caught a little banger. I'll throw on the chart executions. I only got off 5 cons because I thought we were gonna go a little higher, but I should have, and I locked myself out, so can't trade. But I went long off this 30-second um inversion. I was gonna go long down here, but I was like, let me just wait. But I had a strong feeling this was gonna go at least to these equal highs and at 10 a.m. But I just bought here, and I sold 5 at this high up here. 2 minute inverted fair value gap. Yeah, this right here. Yeah, we probably took the same thing. I just got in a little lower, I think. I took half off at 10 a.m. open price. Nice, bro. I was gonna the way I was gonna scale, and this is gonna go higher. Um, the way I was gonna scale was I was gonna take some off. All right, you see, I took 5 off here. I was gonna take 3 off at this high above EQ. So I thought I was like, maybe this will happen, but I probably should have taken more off since I saw the SMT. And since my entry was only like right here, it's like below. It was pretty much at equilibrium, and um, you can see if price is gonna go high, it's gonna retrace to EQ and stop me out. But this looks like it's gonna go higher. If we can get over this and have a decent closure of this order block, it should go higher. But you could see that that's crazy, that equilibrium tick right there. I was like, maybe I should just take some off at EQ. And I was like, nah, it's gonna target the high. But why you go night mode at 9 a.m.? Cause my eyes are I don't like that the blue light in my eyes all early. I forgot to take it off. I always forget to take it off before I stream. Cause this is so bright. So I need it at least like that. But now my live execution's all messed up now because my screen's gonna be orange. But whatever. Little baby is crazy. Shout out that label, it's me. Let me take these off. Casual little what was that? Yeah, 340 on 5 cons. That's kind of crazy. I love when it's volatile. Yo, Butters, do you use TopStep X? I don't think you do. Ping,
Yeah.
do you know how to like it says show chart executions, right?
Yeah, I have
Why?
no idea.
No,
What's
I
the
know
difference?
I have that on already, but I can't take off like the number of contracts. I see people who just have the arrows. I don't know how to do that.
I don't know. Like price, I think. Filter
No, I have
price.
no, I locked myself out, Miasko. I like to trade. I like to take one trade and be done. Cause eventually in the long run I'll be sized up. So, like if I would have taken that with say 3 minis, you know what I'm saying, and I take two off up here, like that's so much money. So that's how I kind of think. That our first scale was 34 points, pretty much. So that's $1,400 on two contracts, and we only had 13 points of risk. You know what I'm saying? So that's the way my brain thinks. Even though right now it's only 340, I'm not really chasing the money. But this would be a decent buy, in my opinion. Buying either this inversion down here or waiting for an order block tap here. I think this fair value gap's the draw, but um, I don't like the action. That's why I'm closing my chart, because it's the Tuesday before all the news. Nah, Apex. Oh, okay. I don't really like this reaction though either. Off of this, this will be telling if you get a solid reaction here. I don't like how ES is just dying. It's not going. It's not going anywhere. That's why you have to be careful when ES is just fading every move, and it's still this order block is still being respected. I took the same thing, but I just waited for it to tap the bullish for a value gap lower. So you entered later, okay? You entered like over here, or no? Still got a runner, beautiful play. Yeah, nice job. Yeah, ES is going for this low, most likely. Yeah, see, this is why I don't trade. I don't like to trade these. How do you do a split screen? You just go up. Almost got harassed by a bug. You just go up here. What what's it called? What software are you on? Trading View is the same thing. TopStep X is Trading View, or TopStep X has Trading View integrated into it. So I waited for a retap in the 1 minute for value gap when it came back. I'll send it in chat. What time? Okay. At 10:10. Got a journal real quick. All right. Yeah, this is just yeah. That's why fellas, if you can, you want to always try to be in as early as possible. I know it sounds like oh, like of course, but what I mean is like even waiting for this retest into like a push higher up here is just like well the context of the week matters of course too, but especially when ES is doing this, like do you really want to sit through this? Because I don't, and that's why I just kind of took the risk, and I like the reaction off of this weekly open and this London low and all this stuff, but like I don't like this is just terrible. And ES is holding down NQ for sure. And look and just zoom out. Like look at the 5. It looks disgusting.
It does.
And it's volatile, so like you get stopped once, it's like, how much do you want to take another trade with a big stop? Yes, 10-10. Okay, that makes sense, K. It's just a little risky, in my opinion. But if it's your model, it's your model. Right? 'Cause I don't really know exactly what you look for, of course. But especially since the 10 a.m. high was here, and that's news high. And you can see we're continue to fail. We continue to we can't displace over this. So I wouldn't be like it wouldn't be obviously bullish until we get a pretty decent close over this 10 a.m. high with FEGs and over equilibrium. So you can see every PD array that's on the bearish side of ES is being respected. Just mark out every up close candle that you see. It's respecting price to the tick almost. And we have SMT. So there's just like you either are shorting ES or you shouldn't be trading in my opinion. I mean you can short NQ too I guess, but what's it called? Just be careful.
What?
Yeah, just the failure to displace above here. Just that get your 1 minute CST. This was a pretty good short, but I don't have a strong draw in this area, so there's no reason for me to even like sit here and say what I was thinking. It's kind of like an if what if then what? Did you catch that, Ping?
Then I get filled by like a tick.
Dang. What were you trying to short? NQ?
Yeah. Like 216. I think I put it like a 218 probably somewhere higher. Put it like a 219 I think. Or
Why so
somewhere
high?
lower, somewhere right there. I didn't think it was that high. I don't think I put it that high. No, I definitely did. I put it like at least at 218.
That's the CE, the
218.
gap.
Yeah, like that's where I put it like somewhere around there.
ES is just smacking order blocks. So did NQ. You should, Ping, if there's an order block with the FEG, you should just short the low of it, in my opinion. Especially if it's close to the CE, which this candle at 1016 was. That's what I started doing. And it's like, would you rather be in, 4 more point, have a 4 more point stop, or not be in the trade at all? You know what I mean? Like especially if you have like a strong feeling. That's what I started doing, and how to realize. Cause
Actually, no, I'm trying to look. Well, let's see what we can go bullish now.
and
See
your
if it's
stop wouldn't even
reflected.
have to be big. You could just use the top of the fair value gap. Yep. Shout out the label, it's me. Yeah, video's going down. I really, really thought I should have shorted this up here too. It just, I really gotta look to why that's a breakaway gap. I literally would have held all the way through. I would have held all the way down. I would have held there. First scale. Wait, what was this black line? Yeah, I would have scaled there for sure. And then the last would have been down here. 75 points. Yeah, it's crazy. Alright, well, I'm done, fellas. I'm not gonna sit here and tape read, especially not this price action. I don't think it's that great. But stay safe. Would have been huge, yeah. Um, I think I know why, but like I don't know if you were here earlier, Miasco, but I learned like, a new concept yesterday, pretty much. Not an ICT concept, but a signature and price that I should be looking for, and I think that's why. But paired with the breaker, that makes sense. But y'all enjoy the rest of your day. I'll be live tomorrow. Want to explain? I can give you. I can. You have to. You'll have to go back test it, but focus on lows. Focus on lows that are broken with fair value gaps like this. They should support price lower. If they don't, it's not a true breakout. And you can see what happens, right? Low that's broken, FEG, true breakout, never returns. This was a good short, to be honest. Stop run, SMT, 1 minute CSD, fair value gap, order block. Easy short there. And always target the candle bodies if you're expecting this. But yeah. I'm out of here. Enjoy your guys' day. Peace.